Okay, here we go.
The right side is after. Okay. What I did was take out all the weeds and cleaned up the front. Took what was basically already there and some things I already had and repurposed them. I took clay pots and repurposed them into a bird bath. I took the hook that was already there, the two hooks that were already there, the little bird feeder that you can barely see because it matches the brick. Those were already there.
Okay, stop there.
Here's the wreath that I repurposed and put coordinating colors of flowers and autumn type little trinkets and bows and things. These are all like things I repurposed that I had in my little craft kit stuff. And they coordinate with the Mr. Praying Mantis. Coordinate with him and the other artificial flowers that I have in the little garden spot. This is oregano. It's, excuse me, Libby. It is blooming with little purple tiny flowers like that. This is going to be a bird feeder. Put bird seed in there. This is repurposed from flower pots into a bird bath and coordinating with the blue door. So the little critters will have something to perch on when they come to get a drink of water. This was originally in the plot. The lady that lives here, this is hers. And these pavers were hers. Just cleaned all that up, took out a bunch of mint, like what was growing over here, and some weeds and assorted things. And basically just cleaned it up, seeded it with zinnia seeds, and it's good to go.
Isn't that pretty? She's amazing. From where she started, and I think she started this morning. How long did it take
I did
you?
this morning.
This morning.
This morning.
Plus, when she worked on this, now this is not her home, the main apartment here at our home place. This is a friend of hers that she loves dearly, and she's remodeling, decorating for fall, and also including August in the colors by coordinating everything together. And she washed down the walls. And if we can get a quick picture, I want to show you her. She just loves animals and all kinds of insects. And here is a praying mantis right there. And Connor is about to tear everything apart here, so I'm going to stop the video. And thank you, dear. This is, there we are. This is Libby, and she's a rescue. And you know Connor's always, well, he's not a, well, I don't know, Connor, look at me. Oh, Connor, he's, okay.
There he goes.
That was
Look at him
Connor.
wag that tail. Smart dog.
So, all right, there's Libby, and of course our hostess today. Isn't she pretty?
Oh no, she's hot and sweaty and dirty.
But she's amazing. Okay, have a great day and enjoy. Create, create, create. What do you say about that, dear?
I say reuse and repurpose. Most everything here was already here, or it was in somewhere else and I just retweaked it.